Hi, I'm Amna. Welcome to my makeup masterclasses. So I see that today you've decided to join one of my group weekend masterclasses. Now I'm sure that you have a few questions that you want to ask me, so I'm going to try and answer all of those questions for you. The first question is, what is the difference between a regular class and a VIP class? Difference between the VIP class and the regular class is that in the regular class you just have the 4-hour class, and in the VIP class, apart from the 4-hour class, you also get a trip to Sephora with me. Now what does the trip to Sephora mean, you ask? A trip to Sephora means that I go with you to Sephora and I help you buy the products that work for you. I help you choose the shades, I help you choose the texture, I help you choose the brushes, I show you how those products work, we try them on you, and that's when you buy. Question number 2, can I join the regular class right now and then upgrade to a VIP class? Absolutely you can. If you feel during the class that you really enjoyed it and you feel that you would love to go to Sephora with me and the group of other students, then you can definitely pay the extra money and join the VIP class. Question 3, can we learn makeup in one day? Absolutely. Learning makeup is not difficult. At the end of the day, you don't need months and months to learn makeup. I will teach you everything from products, tools to techniques, and then you just need to practice. So to answer your question, you can absolutely learn makeup in one day. And for that, I have another video made by my students where they will tell you better. Question 4. What will you teach us in this masterclass? I'm going to teach you everything regarding product, tools, and techniques. I'm going to teach you which products work for you, which products you need, which tools to use, and then what techniques will get you the results. The best kind of makeup is a result of the right product, right tool, and right technique. If your product is not okay and your tool and your technique is fine, you're not gonna get the results. If your product and technique is fine but your tools are not correct, you won't get the results. And if your product and your tool is correct but you don't know the technique, you won't get the results. So I'm gonna teach you product, tools, and techniques all together. Question number 5. Do we need to buy any makeup for the class? You absolutely do not need to buy any makeup for the class. Just bring whatever you have at home, and the rest I will have in class for you in case you need it. Whatever you need to buy, please buy after the class once you've learned what works for you. Or if you go to Sephora with me, let me help you buy the products. Question number 6. How big is the class? The class is going to be maximum 10 to 15 students. I don't take very large groups. I teach in very small amounts. Question number 7. Will we have hands-on practice? Unfortunately, this class is only for 4 hours. I do the makeup on myself. I don't use models because I really believe that doing makeup on a model is the easiest thing on the planet. I am 45. I have dark circles. I have pigmentation. I have double chin. I don't drink water enough. I don't sleep enough. I have all the stresses in the world. I'm a single mom. So I do makeup on myself so you can relate to me that if I can get rid of all of the problems that I have and look like this, you can do the same. And while I'm doing the makeup, you can either make videos of me while I'm doing the practical, or you can follow me step by step and do the routine on your own self. Question number 8. How do we make the payment? You can make the payment by PayPal or by Zelle. Both the email and the numbers are given to you, and you can just easily go and make the payment. After you've made the payment, please send a picture of the receipt to the WhatsApp number. Once you send me the receipt, I'm going to add you to a WhatsApp group which is for your city. And all the further details and all the questions will be answered there. Number 9. What if after the class we still have questions? Well, that's a very simple answer. I always make a WhatsApp group for all the different classes that I hold. And since the time I held my first class 10 years ago, I am still part of the WhatsApp group. So after the class is over, everybody who takes the class stays a part of the WhatsApp group, and we can keep asking questions. You can keep sending in pictures, and we build a community that way. So trust me, I'm not going anywhere. Question number 10. What is the difference between a group masterclass and a one-on-one personal masterclass? So the group masterclass is at least 10 to 15 students. It can be a few less or a few more. And I do the practical on myself, and I teach you every single thing that you need to know about makeup. A personal one-on-one masterclass is just you and me, and I teach you whatever you want to learn as far as makeup is concerned, whether it's skincare, whether it's eyeshadow, whether it's just how to deal with your skin. I also go through your personal makeup kit, and I help you decide what works for you and what doesn't work for you. I do one side of your face while you do the other side of your face, and you practice with me side by side, and I tell you which products to keep, which products not to keep, and you get 100% of my attention. Question number 11. I'm a beginner. Is this class for beginners? This class is the perfect class for beginners, and if you want to learn makeup for yourself. I have taught self-love and confidence for so many years now. For me, I feel that every woman should be able to handle her own skin and do her own makeup and look like a better version of herself. If you don't know anything about makeup, if you don't know anything about tools or products or what techniques to use, this is the class that you need to join, because I'm going to start from skincare and work my way up to makeup products, the tools that you need to use and the techniques that you need to use. So if you are a beginner, this class is perfect for you. Question number 12. Can I join this class if I want to learn and work professionally? You can absolutely join this class if you want to work professionally. Everybody starts somewhere. So even if you know the basic skills of makeup, this is just going to enhance you. I have been teaching makeup for over 11 years and I still get to learn from so many of my peers. I have traveled all over the world. I have taught thousands and thousands of women, and trust me, makeup keeps evolving. Things in makeup keep changing. Even my students that learned from me 2 years ago again take my class after a year, 2 years, because everything keeps changing. I myself keep evolving. So absolutely, even if you know how to do makeup and you want to get into it professionally, I teach a lot more than just makeup in this class. Question number 13. Do we get a certificate? You absolutely get a certificate in this class. After you're done with the class, you will be sent your certificate with your name and the name of your city, and it will be signed by me. I do want to give a disclaimer. This is a certificate that you have attended this class and you have learned from me. This is not a license, so please don't confuse the two. You need minimum 1000 working hours to get a license of an esthetician or a beautician. So please, you have to join an academy for that. This is a self-love makeup masterclass that you take for yourself, or if you want to work professionally later on, to learn the basic, learn the tools, the techniques, and what the product is all about. This is for an appreciation of makeup and for your own growth. This is not a license. Question number 14. Is the Sephora trip even worth it? Well, I have a lot of videos on is the Sephora trip is even worth it, and that is all made by my students and the people that I've taken with me. So there are a lot of videos that you can go and you can see and you will get your answer there. But if you ask me, the Sephora trip is absolutely worth it because we end up spending so much money and wasting so much money on makeup, but it's the wrong kind of makeup. So when you go to Sephora with me, I tell you which product works for you, I tell you which color works for you, I tell you which texture works for you, and I teach you how to use that product and which tools to use. So all the money that you spend in Sephora is actually worth the products that you're buying. We start from skincare, we go on to makeup, we go on to the tools, and it's absolutely a wonderful day out, and then we all end up having coffee together. Question number 15. What are your credentials for teaching us makeup? That is an excellent question, and I feel the only way to learn makeup is to do makeup. The more you do it, the more you learn. I have not only just been teaching makeup for the past 11 years, I also do makeup professionally. I'm a certified bridal makeup artist. I have held master classes all over the world, in Pakistan, online, the UAE, London, all over the US, everywhere. Wherever I go, my makeup goes with me. And honestly, the more I've taught, the more I've learned. I've taught over 6,000 women all over the world. I know everything you need to know about pigmentation. I know everything you need to know about your skin tone. I know everything you need to know about getting rid of these dark circles. And more than just doing makeup, teaching makeup and working with these women, there is no problem that you can put in front of me that I can't find a solution to. So let's get together and let's learn makeup. Let's build each other up. Let's give ourselves some importance and let's look like the best version of ourselves. And the last question is, till when can I join this class? Well, I would suggest even if this class is a month later or 2 months later, I take only very limited amounts of people. I don't do very big classes. So if you have decided that makeup is something that you want to learn and this is the kind of makeup that you like and you've always been struggling with it, then I would suggest that you don't waste any more time and you go and register now, because I keep taking the registration until I have a full class of students. So if 10 people join before you, it's very difficult for me to add you last minute. Well, I hope that I've managed to answer some of your questions. If you still have more questions, you can always send a WhatsApp on the number that's given below. But all in all, I'd just like to congratulate you. If you have decided to take this masterclass, you should definitely clap for yourself, because you would only invest in yourself if you feel that you were worth it. So if you are investing in yourself, this is the first step that you're taking for yourself that you're going to be proud of. I'm extremely happy and I can't wait to see you in your city in the masterclass.